Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a ginger wrap for coughs at home for adults and children. So I'm going to start with pouring the flour into the bowl. I don't really have a set measurement of how much flour, but that's how much I poured into the bowl. Then I'm going to get my organic honey. I'm going to pour the honey into the bowl. I don't have a set measurement of honey as well. I just pour honey in gradually to just make a pasty substance. So I start mixing the honey and flour together. I kind of speed things up a little bit, and then I added extra honey because it was needed, just to make the paste more pasty. I'm mixing, I'm showing you how it looks now that I added more honey and it's like less flour. So then I get my whole ginger, and this is how whole ginger look. You can actually use ginger powder as well, but I have whole ginger. Then I start to grate the ginger. I'm grating the ginger and scooping it out onto the plate. As you can see here, I'm almost done grating. And I'm just showing you how much ginger I'm using. And I was pretty much left with like a little piece of ginger. I grated a lot because I wanted to have more than enough into the mix. So now that I finished grating the ginger, I'm going to pour the ginger into the bowl. And then I'm going to get my coconut oil. You can actually use olive oil as well, but I love coconut oil. I use coconut oil for everything. So I decided to use the coconut oil for my ginger wrap. So I pour some gradually in. I didn't measure, I just pour. And then I started to mix it all in together. The honey, the ginger, the flour, and the coconut oil. So I'm speeding things up because just looking at me mix them together is kind of boring. And I just want you to see like a fast pace of me doing everything. I'm almost done mixing. And then I noticed that I needed a little bit more coconut oil because I need the paste to be smooth. As you can see, it's nice and smooth. And it's almost ready to be placed onto the patch. So I did have an old set of paste that I made. And I'm going to pour it into the mix. Just to add them all together. And then I'm mixing them together. And now I'm getting my napkin. Now what I did with the napkin, I cut the napkin in half. Cutting. Sorry, I went too high with the cutting with the scissors. Cut the napkin in half. And next I'm going to take the gauze pads. I'm going to place it under the napkin. As you can see, it's under the napkin. And then I put the mix onto the napkin. I'm placing a good amount because I'm making this ginger wrap for my 3-year-old daughter. And with kids who are younger, their skin tends to be sensitive. And I decided to add a little bit more flour into the bowl and place it to mix it in so that the mix will not irritate her skin. And before I put the patch down, I actually rubbed A&D ointment on my daughter's skin just to like protect her skin from, you know, the ginger and the honey and things like that, because she do have sensitive skin to certain products. So then I fold the napkin in half and the gauze pad in half. I'm preparing to make the wrap into a small patch size. You would then need adhesive tape to tape it down. Just like that. And I fold it over because I'm making it for my daughter. So I'm making it like a small patch size just to go right above her chest. So yeah, this is how it's gonna look. The wrap is done, and I'm gonna give you some factual things about the wraps.